Yeah, let's see if Grandpa's here.
There's a duck! Whoops!
Don't touch the spider web.
There's a duck! A geese! There's a geese!
A goose. That's a duck, Jay. It's not a goose.
He was like 5 feet forward, and then he stands up on it and he comes down. He's like, I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning, help, I'm drowning. Jay, don't do that. You could. You don't know how to swim. How do you think
There's a duck over here.
Look, I found some old fishing net and a bobber.
Catch something for our dinner.
Sure, I just need a stick and some bait.
What's that? Oh, here's the monkeys.
Peacocks?
Those are the...
Mommy, can you get lost in that water?
Jay, don't do that.
Can you get lost in that water?
You could.
Quack!
You could.
I think
Hey,
you can.
hey,
You're gonna break it if you do that, Mom.
Hey, cuckoo ducky.
It's not a cookie.
He doesn't hear you.
Oh, there's two of them. A duck!
Jay, you go to
Ew, yeah.
Look at all those geese around those two old people over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a stick.
Where are you going?